Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Upwork is a freelance marketplace which is providing millions of jobs, and it is a highly paid freelance marketplace. It is an American-based freelance marketplace, and it has searched out that what will be the highly paid soft skills in 2023. The categories include tech-related skills, consumer-related skills, and accounting-related skills. The top-rated skills in 2023 that has been categorized by the Upwork, a freelance marketplace based in America. These job earning skills or soft skills to earn money online or freelancing skills are categorized as the tech related digital skills in 2023 are mentioned here: full stack development, front end development, back end development, mobile application development, web designing, e-commerce, CMS development, UX UI design, manual testing, scripting, automation, and the other top related skills which are related to the customer services and admin support services. These are email, phone and chat support, general virtual assistants, data entry, digital project management, journal research services, tech support, dropshipping, order processing, community management, market research, transcription. And the top digital skills related to the accounting and consulting skills for 2023 are mentioned here. You can see that on the top is accounting, then recruiting and talent sourcing, bookkeeping, financial analysis, management consulting, and all that can you see here: HR administration, business analysis, tax preparation, financial management. These are those top related skills which are the demand, which would be the demand of the day in the year 2023. And in terms of the most in demand skills, those with highest year over year growth on the Upwork platform are sales and business development. This has a ratio of 54%. Data entry gets 47% ratio, and accounting related jobs are 45%, and 3D animation has grown up on the Upwork platform up to 44%. These are the skills that are the demand of that would be demand in the year 2023. So those youth which are out of job, which are free to work and have a skill, they need to first polish their skills. First of all, they need to develop their skills and then go to the freelance marketplace and sell their services there, and they can earn money, and after earning money they can invest that money to build their life prosperous in future. So I think you may have learned something new from this video. Thank you so much.